In today's video, I'll walk you through how to invite teammates to your Asana workspace. Whether you're leading a small group or handling a large project, bringing teammates into Asana makes collaboration smoother and productivity higher. To start, head over to the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. If it's currently hidden from view, click the hamburger menu icon located at the top left to expand it. This will ensure you have all the necessary tools and settings at your fingertips as you progress. Once the panel is open, take a look down towards the bottom of the menu where you'll see a button labeled Invite Teammates. Clicking this button is your gateway to inviting new members to your workspace, making it an essential first step in enhancing team communication. With the invitation window open, go ahead and enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Feel free to add multiple teammates at once. Just be sure to take a moment to double check that you've typed their emails correctly. This helps prevent any potential delays in getting everyone on board. Next, you'll need to decide which projects you want your teammates to have access to. Asana offers flexible visibility settings, allowing you to assign the right projects to each individual based on their role and responsibilities. This customization ensures that everyone stays focused on what matters most. Once you're satisfied with the selections you've made, all that's left to do is press the send button. Your teammates will receive an email invitation shortly after, so it might be helpful to remind them to keep an eye on their inbox. To join your workspace, they'll just need to click the link provided in the email. If they don't already have an Asana account, they'll be prompted to create one, a process that only takes a minute or so. And there you have it. You've successfully invited your teammates to Asana. By doing so, you're not only coordinating tasks and deadlines more efficiently, but you're also strengthening teamwork by keeping everyone informed and aligned with the project goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy collaborating!